Alright guys, so as of 2021, we still know that there is still a huge gap between smartphone video editing and video editing on your computer or on your Macs. And I keep thinking to myself, if there was an application that could give you a little bit more extra features when it came to editing singular clips, quality video editing would become more mainstream and more people would have access to it because you could do it on your phone. In today's video, I'm talking about an application called Righton Video, which by the way is available for both iOS and Android. And I'm pretty sure that by the end of this video, this app is going to be your go-to video editing application. With that said, what is up guys? Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're talking about a really good video editing app for your iOS as well as your Android phone. In case you guys end up liking this video, feel free to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright, so let's jump right into it. This is Righton Video, an application that on the surface may seem like just another video editing app, but once it is used, you'll be pleasantly surprised. Now, what makes Righton stand out from other applications is the fact that it mainly focuses on storytelling along with countless other features. Now, the app mainly works through the concept of having a video outline wherein you can add notes and basically storyboard the video to have an edited video that flows nicely from one part to the other and also looks professionally edited. Now, once you open up the app for the first time, the application offers you outlines that are pre-built into the app. This includes unboxings, tutorials, and product reviews. If you click on an outline, it will take you to different pods or parts within this outline, and you can either let the text remain the same or change it with what you'd like it to be. Now, clicking on the next button then opens up the video editing page where you can add different clips, and they are all separated from each other with the pods. This makes things way easier to edit and shoot and also takes care of continuity. Now, you can also go to the other route and create a completely customized outline from scratch to specifically tailor to your workflow. Here is where you can add your very own titles and descriptions for each pod and also move forward. Now, moving forward to the other features the app has, you have a layers section wherein you can add music as well as voiceovers and also record audio in real time in case you missed a certain part. You also have the option to add and customize text and stickers to add that pop in your videos, and you can also change the video speed, resize the video, and share the video to your socials for Instagram videos and reels, or export the video as a storyboard if you're using the app to have an idea of how to shoot a much larger scale video. The possibilities are truly endless. Look guys, even though this video is sponsored by the guys over at Righton Video, I genuinely, in my 6 years of video editing on my computer, have never come across an application that has so seamlessly and easily integrated storytelling and other filmmaking aspects, that too on a mobile device. The application really is incredible, and I would highly recommend all of you to check Righton Video out. Now, Righton Video, as I said, is available on iOS, Android as well as Mac, so the download links will be in the description below. Feel free to check them out and use it to edit your Instagram reels, to edit your smartphone videos and whatnot. It really takes things to the next level. With that said guys, this is Anubhav signing out. I hope you guys have a great day, stay safe, and until then, I'll catch you guys next time, and yeah, peace out.